1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, welcome on people. You don't know it's a boy Rush, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Real Youths. And today, I'm gonna go into something epic. When you have my girlfriend give me a prank, them I still can't forget about the prank up until today. I'm feeling I'm hot. But I tell you, say people, we have something epic for her today. Guess what? She gone to therapy. You see me? She did meet me well. We did meet in a small accident and her spine, a little minor thing still, you see me? She gone to therapy for God, you know, they do a little exercise and a little thing. So today I say, yo, this is the perfect time because she is always in the house. It's the perfect time for prank her, you see me? I say, alright, I call her, so she dip on her wearing a taxi account. Say, alright, I'm going to set up something I know. So you see me, so what I'm going to tell her, so she kind of jealous body, you see me? So what I'm going to tell her, so is, I tell her, say, yo, just get a news, you know, really bad news, eh? Some news, we want to hear the news, and she say, I want, and she go intrigue. I know she go ask me, I want every minute. You see me, I just tell her, say, yo, I have a second family out there. She have a baby boy for me already. And right now, she call me back and tell me say she's pregnant again. So I just want to see her reaction to that. Yo, now what do you got hot to it up? You tell her, yo, what she do when you? I'm telling her, say, I think about it in my mind. I'm just like, John, she probably going to want to war me and think. But let's see her reaction and see how chill she is or what going. But people, stay tuned for more. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe because I notice that most sound I watch a video them but nah subscribe or like the thing. So please we are begging to like the thing and subscribe. So peace until then. These people here a walk a come round so. Ooh, get ready, see if we can shoot. Try if hide the camera a little bit. It always alright, so she not even gonna notice me until I say the camera on or nothing. Just gonna hide it. So she can't even know. But I'm telling you. Alright. Yeah, Jaco. Okay? Yeah. Alright. As you come in here, eat food. See first place you have in dine kitchen here, man. As you come in.
I'm in the kitchen. I stop and buy it.
Yeah, but oh, so you couldn't bring some out?
From morning, I not even expect to say the year, so I go eat something. Yeah, no, could you?
No, avatar. You know an avatar. So don't you want to take for that?
You want some?
Yeah, can I get
You want me to get food? Yeah, I make it to some. I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah, from morning, I'm not going to know.
You never buy breakfast?
Let them say from morning, yeah, you know.
Go out on the road and buy two patties. Mothers, you know, mothers love the tasty patties, you know.
And you know what they must
That's
stop?
contrasting. Eh?
I didn't stop a while ago.
Mothers really. Food this way. If something nobody eat that whole life food now, you know, man.
Yeah, after the over food, they put on the bounce.
If what look like food.
You know, if I want patty for you, I do me one patty.
Patty there?
Yeah, looking at my brown bag this one. So I go on.
Remember there still. Let's see what I want. Yeah, go on chilling back like, you know.
What's when I'm hungry, so food nice?
Mother's food always nice.
When I eat brown rice, but boy, I do my hungry still.
Oh, that's Hello? Yeah. Who's this? Yeah, talk with that. Yeah, sir, yeah, sir. Yeah, me a listen, where you say. Yeah. What? Say what? Few. Me? When that? You know you just tell me that? Well, I'm so calm. I'm calling him. Call him. Okay? Alright.
How that?
No, what kind of news is me I get that?
What kind of news? Which news? What kind of news is that? What kind of me ask you what kind of news you ask about what kind of news is John was star?
I heard she tell you. Yeah.
Somebody call your phone. Me ask you how what? You talk about news. Who is that?
Alright. Now go tell you.
I see your phone and say who just call.
No.
You must see who just called you a while ago now?
My phone for.
So you put your phone in your pocket
I
for?
already tell you what go on already.
Then talk now and come on. You still want to see the phone.
Yeah, go on vice versa. So relax.
I don't talk to you.
Alright. No, we can't tell you. We can't tell you. You just can't go to me. It's like somebody that say, don't tell her. Can't tell her. We don't
So
know where
because I
you're
tell you don't tell me.
Can't tell her. Can't tell her.
Oh, you mean you say you have something to say to me? I mean, I listen for you say what you have to say to me. I'm saying, give me the phone. I'm saying, who call you? So you can't give me the phone and you can't tell me. You have to tell me, say, you never tell me. It's a what is? What sense does that make?
Hold on a little bit now.
Hold on for what?
Just relax. Sit down now, dear. Sit down now,
I
dear.
don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit down. You tell me what is going on. I need to know what I want.
Alright, now look at this. Alright, so. Oh man, that one is kind of hard.
Oh, it will be hard.
Hard. No. Alright, dear. Now go this man up on this still. Alright. So, have this girl.
Of this girl?
Yeah, we got date. I have a second family.
You have a second family?
Yeah.
So how me never know about that?
Yeah, we should have tell you that. I should have told you.
Mark your question. How you expect me to feel when you tell me them things, you know? You know me not take them things you like, though. People you want to laugh off of me, though.
Nobody can laugh on the line.
What you mean nobody can laugh off of me? What you mean by? What you mean by? What you be with what? Something wrong with me? No, I want to know something wrong with me? Look at my good. Triggering on my face? What you do that for? What you do that for? What you do that for?
No, babes. It's a prank.
What you mean by prank? Which prank?
It's a prank, babes. You're too serious now. It's a prank. Look. Me eye the camera from you. Look. Chad, no, me. Yo, people should give me a...
Don't run put me them way there. Don't do it.
Yo, should give me a solid one. Oh, shit.
Don't ramp with me them way there, but you have second.
It's a prank, babes. It's a prank.
Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me.
No.
Don't ramp with me.
It's a prank. Say something to the camera for the people. Say something to the camera for the people.
I'm not laughing at people who him do. But him have second man out there.
I want to backfire wicked. No. They want to get so dramatic.
Worry yourself, people. Watch out here. Just watch out.
Alright,
This
people.
nah go so. Just watch out. Watch out. I am coming back for him. And you know when time me I come strong. No.
Yo, people,
Team
I
Mickey
wanna-
all the time.
A team rush, but guess what? People are on the kitchen at a while ago, but you say backfire from me. John must start.
Yeah, because I'm gonna say, oh, you have a second. What? You have a second family out there. What do you mean by second family out there? Crazy? Look at me. Look at me nice. What green on my face? Crazy. Right.
Alright, people, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Peace out, and people, remember, all this soon I watch, get all the views, but now I get the likes and the share and the subscriptions. People, please remember to like, share, and subscribe and,
And
share.
please remember
Please.
to ring that notification bell.
Peace out.